Hello. Hi, everybody. This is Nikita Mhatre, the founder of Presentation Success Community. And today we have a very interesting and a very exciting personality with us to share some views about her experiences and what she has learned over the years and how that will help you add value while you go and speak or you go and present yourself, may it be at any conference, may it be a sales presentation, may it be even while you're interacting to somebody or meeting somebody for the first time. So this is the tips what she's going to share are going to be mind blowing. Okay, they are going to be a bulb on for you in many aspects, and if you hear it from her, because if I give you a short introduction about her, that will certainly validate the facts that these tips are really very useful. So to introduce who is our guest is she's Neha Kadam, who's an actress, a theater actress. So theater actress brings a lot of pressure. There is no replay, there is no cuts, there is nothing. You just have to rehearse, and rehearse to make yourself perfect, and that is the most challenging thing in this kind of a role what she has been into. And she's an amazing actress there. She's also a psychology student who's pursuing her masters, and she's excelling there as well. So she has a lot where she has interacted with many individuals. She has worked with the Tata Institute of Social Sciences as well, and that brings a lot of aspects which are amazing, which will certainly add a lot of value to what we have and what we as individuals should develop and inculcate amongst us. So we welcome you, Neha, and we really thank you for your time, your insights, what you're going to share with us. So all over to you. Let me just give you a quick background about what Presentation Success Community does. We are into we are helping others and helping the community bring and excel in how they should be presenting themselves, and that doesn't have to be exactly if you're presenting yourself with a PowerPoint presentation. It can also be if you're meeting somebody, as I just said, that it can be even your interview is a kind of a presentation where you need presentation skills. So it doesn't always associate with PowerPoint, but it always helps you groom yourself and present yourself. It is not to do with the way you dress up. Yes, it matters, but it is more of how you speak and how you convey your message to the person who is in front of you. So we help our I bring 10 years of experience, and from the industry, having worked with more industry verticals and the top leaders in this space. And that's the reason I'm trying to bring it and share it back with the community. So the topic for today is how to grab audience's attention. So this audience doesn't have to be a hall which is filled with a lot of people, a hall which is filled, or a conference room filled with students, filled with members. It doesn't have to be that. Your audience means even you while you're listening or you're seeing yourself in the mirror and practicing something. So how that audience you have to please, how you have to grab that attention is something what Neha is going to share with us. So all over to you, Neha.
Yes, thank you so much, Nikita ma'am, for your kind words. So I'll begin with I would like to say, like, for grabbing your audience's attention, there are some points which should be in your mind always. Like, there are basic points, like your presentation or whatever you're going to convey. Your message should be unique. So I'll present my some of the points. I have 3 points to tell you today. So beginning with the first point, curiosity. Curiosity of your audience. You should always try to trigger your audience's curiosity. So for that, you must know a little bit about your audience. So what interests them, or how you can trigger their curiosity. So you should work upon that. And once you get that, you will be able to engage your audience throughout the your conversation or your presentation or anything, your throughout your message you're trying to convey. And it will be better to understand them as well as to you to convey your message. The second point is your way of conveying your message, your presentation, or any conversation. That should be unique, as well as your subject should be unique. Also, there are some times when you don't have the freedom to select the subject, what you are going to present, what you're going to convey. You are just given some subject topic, and you are told to convey that. So, in that cases, you should be able to make that subject in unique in its own way. You should, for that, you should be studying that subject in brief, and you should know its little things in it which can make the audience know about it more and trigger their curiosity, as our first point was. So for that, you should study that topic, and that's how you will be able to give some variations to that topic. And going towards our third, I'm so sorry, man.
Yeah, that's
It's
fine.
recording, right?
Yes, yes.
Can we retake?
Thumb.